fool ya.
Welcome guys, welcome to another one of my tutorials. In this one I'm going to show you how to permanently delete Disk Drill from your MacBook. You want to make sure that you have Disk Drill open. In the top left corner you want to go to the Disk Drill tab. Then you scroll down to Preferences. Click on Preferences. And then you want to make sure that you have the General tab selected. Next, you go down to the bottom of the page and select Remove Disk Drill. On the next page, you can choose from the drop-down menu to give a reason why you are leaving or deleting Disk Drill. After selecting your reason, you go to Confirm Disk Drill Removal. The pop-up window will ask you if you want to clear all protected data. Click yes to remove all data. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Remember, it's your boy Tibbs, no lies, no fibs. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, peace.